If an alien spacecraft really did enter our solar system, when would it reveal itself? The answer, some claim, was October 29, 2025, just 2 days ago. Across the internet, people are buzzing with the idea that Comet Atlas, also known as 3I Atlas, might actually be an alien spacecraft. On that day, it passed its closest point to the Sun, about 203 million kilometers away. If it were truly an intelligent probe, this moment would be perfect for orbital maneuvers, the ideal window to change direction or speed. So, what did it do? Nothing. The Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope, the European Space Agency's Mars Orbiter, the Purple Mountain Observatory of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, and observatories all around the world all came to the same conclusion. Its orbit followed Kepler's laws perfectly. Its velocity and direction showed no deviation at all. Why was October 29th so critical? In astrophysics, there's an important concept called the Oberth effect. When a spacecraft is nearest to a star, that's when accelerating or altering course is most energy efficient. Any advanced interstellar probe would use this basic physical principle. So, if 3I Atlas were truly an alien craft, October 29th would have been its moment of decision. It could have slowed into an inner solar orbit. It could have accelerated outward. It could have shifted direction or deployed smaller probes. But it did none of these. Instead, it behaved like a silent cosmic traveler, obeying the same laws of physics written down more than 3 centuries ago. So what did the observations after perihelion reveal? Here's the story. The Nordic Optical Telescope continuously observed 3I Atlas from September through October, and recorded 3 key changes. First, its primary jet completely changed direction. Earlier, its active jet seemed to point toward the Sun, an odd behavior. But now, it has formed a standard comet tail pointing directly away from the Sun, exactly as comet physics predicts. Second, its material outbursts have intensified. As the comet neared the Sun, its surface ice began to sublimate, transforming into gas and dust, erupting from the nucleus. This is textbook cometary behavior. Third, its spectral signature matched perfectly with natural origins. Spectral analysis from the Keck telescope revealed eruptions made of water ice, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and simple organic molecules, no different from any other comet ever observed. So how does science explain the earlier anomalies? The features that once seemed mysterious now make sense. Those strange reverse jets. Comets are irregular, lumpy objects. As they rotate, ice in different regions heats unevenly, causing eruptions in various directions. The jet toward the Sun was simply an illusion, the result of spin and local heating. As 3I Atlas moved closer to the Sun, the entire surface warmed, its activity stabilized, and its eruptions aligned into a normal, sun-facing tail. And what about its unusual nickel-to-iron ratio? 3I Atlas came from another star system. Stars form under different conditions, with unique nuclear fusion histories. Just as the soil composition differs from region to region on Earth, the chemical makeup of distant star systems varies naturally. The high iron content doesn't prove it's artificial, it simply confirms it's interstellar. As for its orbit alignment, humanity has only confirmed 3 interstellar visitors so far: Oumuamua, Comet Borisov, and now 3I Atlas. With so few examples, we can't yet define what a normal interstellar orbit even looks like. Calling something artificial just because it's rare is a statistical mistake. The universe produces improbable events constantly. Observing one doesn't mean intelligence is behind it. Even scientists who once speculated about alien origins have adjusted their views. Professor Avi Loeb of Harvard, who initially gave 3I Atlas a 4 out of 10 on the alien technology scale, stated that if the object behaved like a natural comet after perihelion, he would revise it to a 2. And that's exactly what he did. Not because he still believes it's alien, but because its immense mass and unusual orbit remain scientifically interesting. We need more data to understand the diversity of interstellar objects. The observations from October 29th gave us that answer. Every telescope, every data point since perihelion agrees 3I Atlas is a natural comet from another star system. Extraordinary but not artificial. It performed no intelligent maneuvers, no course corrections, no propulsion. Its orbit, material composition, and outgassing behavior all match what astrophysics predicts for a normal comet. And the story isn't over yet. By December 19th, 3I Atlas will reach its closest point to Earth, about 270 million kilometers away. That will be the best opportunity for ground-based telescopes to observe it in full detail. After being baked by the sun's heat, its tail will glow brighter and its eruptions more dramatic. Astronomy enthusiasts worldwide will be able to see a truly spectacular comet display. Science demands evidence, not imagination. The journey of 3I Atlas reminds us of 3 lessons. First, time and data reveal the truth. The October 29th observations confirmed it. It's a comet. Second, being extraordinary doesn't mean artificial. Nature can create phenomena stranger than we ever imagine. And third, real science requires open minds and rational thinking. We can make bold hypotheses, but they must always be tested by observation and proof, not by speculation. So, the next time you see headlines about alien motherships or invading fleets, ask first, is there any verified data from a credible observatory? What does the scientific community actually say? Let's wait for the clearer observations this December. And remember, the beauty of science is that it speaks with evidence.